If you woke up feeling tight, sluggish, or stiff from sleep, this sequence is for you. Today we're kicking off with a 5-minute strength and stretch routine. The perfect way to wake up your spine, shoulders, core, and hamstrings. We're focusing on mobility, flexibility, and core activation to help you move better, faster, and stronger throughout the day. No equipment is needed, just you, your mat, and 5 minutes of focused movement. Do it anywhere, your bedroom, living room, or even outside for some fresh air. And here's the game plan. We'll start with the downward dog to cobra stretch flow. To stretch the entire body, activate the core with bird dog, and finish with a deep shoulder stretch to set the perfect posture for the day. Most people jump straight into their day without preparing their body for movement. But not you. You're here doing the work, and that's a win. By the end of this routine, I promise you'll feel looser, stronger, and fully in sync with your body. Let's hit the mat. Do you want a full body stretch that builds flexibility and strength at the same time? This movement is your new best friend. Start in downward dog, hips lifted, heels reaching toward the ground, arms extended. Shift forward into a high plank position, lowering yourself down with control. Inhale as you press your chest up into cobra pose, lifting through your spine while keeping your elbows soft. Exhale as you press back into downward dog, lifting the hips and elongating the back. Continue flowing between these two movements for 1 minute with slow, controlled breathing. This dynamic movement increases spinal mobility, stretches the chest and shoulders, and strengthens the core. I promise by the end, your body will feel more open, fluid, and powerful. Beginners, keep a small bend in the knees during downward dog and lower down gently into cobra. Advanced stretches, hold cobra for a few extra seconds to deepen the stretch. Now that we've warmed up the spine and shoulders, let's activate the core with bird dog. Want a stronger core and better balance? This movement fires up your stabilizers like nothing else. Start in a tabletop position, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips, extend your right arm forward and left leg straight back, keeping your hips level. Hold for a second, engaging your core, then return to center. Switch sides, extending the left arm and right leg. Continue alternating for 30 seconds per side, focusing on smooth, controlled movement. This movement improves spinal stability, strengthens the core, and enhances coordination. I promise by the end, you'll feel stronger and more in control of your movements. Beginners, keep your toes on the ground for extra stability. Advanced stretches, hold each extension longer and add a crunch by bringing the knee to the elbow before extending again. Now that we've engaged the core, let's stretch the hamstrings and decompress the spine with the standing forward fold. Feeling tight hamstrings and lower back stiffness? The stretch will melt away that tension away. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart and take a deep inhale. As you exhale, hinge at the hips, letting your head and arms hang heavy toward the floor. Keep a slight bend in the knees if needed, focusing on lengthening the spine. Hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply and allowing your body to relax into the stretch. This position improves hamstring flexibility, decompresses the spine, and enhances circulation. I promise by the end, you'll feel lighter, looser, and more relaxed. Beginners, rest on your shins or thighs for support. Advanced stretches, hold onto your ankles and gently pull yourself deeper into the stretch. Now that your lower body is fully stretched, let's reset the shoulders and posture with a cross-body shoulder stretch. Want to release shoulder tension and improve mobility? Well, this simple but powerful stretch will do the trick. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Bring your right arm across your chest, using your left hand to gently pull it closer. Hold for 30 seconds, keeping your shoulders relaxed. Switch sides, bringing your left arm across your chest and holding for another 30 seconds. This stretch loosens tight shoulders, improves upper body flexibility, and helps correct posture. I promise by the end, you'll feel lighter, more mobile, and tension-free. Beginners keep the pull light and gentle. Advanced stretchers add wrist circles while stretching to deepen the release.